Okay, able to get it. Lily had to take every single thing apart, but all that just to get to that little nut to undo the shaft to pull the motor out from the blower house wheel. So literally had to take the entire blower housing out to get to the nut to take the motor off of the blower wheel. In order to take the blower housing out, we had to disassemble the entire unit. I had to go through here instead of vacuuming down and cutting the line sets. We just cut that a little bit there, put a plate back on there so we can fold the coil down enough and move the line sets out of the way enough to slip the housing through. So the only thing we didn't have to take out because we modified the cabinet was the coil. Literally everything else, including the ductwork. Stupid.